Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my fidgets, so let's get into the video. So I'm currently in my playroom, so let me show you the fidgets. So I have my poppets, which are very cool. There's a loud side and a quiet side. I got a variety pack, which I got 2 of them. This is the loud side, so let's be quiet for this. So it's really good. And for the quiet side, I don't really like it. It's still very fun to poke though. It's like, I call it never-ending bubble wrap. So let me just set up my camera. Okay. Yeah, this is the quiet side. And then this is the loud side. It's very fun. And I also, oops, sorry. And hold on, let me set something else right here. Okay. I also have an orange one right here. So this is the poppet. So on Amazon, I bought all of these fidgets on Amazon. I'm getting more, but these are the fidgets I have currently. So I bought these on Amazon. I just searched 2-pack fidgets. Well, I didn't search 2-pack fidgets. I searched 2-pack poppets. And they have a bunch of colors. Next, I have the little, like, thing. So let me turn it around so you guys can see. It's like a little moist. I don't really like that, but some people do. And they're just really satisfying to play with. See, like, look, they're so fun. And who doesn't want these? They're so fun. See, like, look at this. Look at this. They also have like a little keychain thing, so they can be your keychain or on anything really. So that's that. I also have some magic balls. This is a magic ball. It's basically where you have to like solve where the things go. So it's like you can switch these around, and you have to get them in the right spot. But I really like this because it was very cheap for both of them. Like, I found one on Amazon that was only one, and there was one that was like $9 just for one of them. And that's just not a good deal. So that's why I bought this, because it was a 2-pack, and it's very fun to do. But after a while, your hands can get sore, but they're still very fun to do. So let me close it back up in its little velvet thing. And then this is the second one. I thought this one was so cool. It's like blue. It's very cool. I've been trying to solve this like all night. Well, in the morning I have been trying to solve it, but I just couldn't. It's funny. I've been trying to solve it. It's pretty hard. I forgot what these are called. But you can just find them on Amazon if you search fidgets. But it said, like, I searched just fidgets. And then, yeah. So that's all my fidgets I have currently, guys. But if you guys want to see more videos about this, please make sure to like and subscribe. And my goal is 50 subscribers this year. So let's try and get to my goal. Bye, guys! There's a thing about this. It's called the pea popper. And if you're wondering, like, they don't all have faces. Like, see, these ones don't have faces. Or on this side, they don't even have faces. So the side ones don't have faces.